Mm-hmm.
So you have liquid refrigerant. Well, actually, you shouldn't have any liquid refrigerant left in here because when you recover, you always recover liquid first and then vapor.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
like you just don't decide to do vapor. Like the process is always liquid first and then vapor.
Okay.
Yeah, because you freeze the system.
Right. So now 5 and 6 are closed. So now your vacuum pump is pulling a vacuum on the condenser, and it's the first valve that it goes through out of the condenser is the 7 valve. Goes to the manifold. Goes to your 2 valve. Goes through the filter dryer, and goes back to your suction.
Mm-hmm.
The suction, it comes out to discharge, goes up to 4, goes to your water cooled condenser where the water is now condensing the vapor to liquid. And the reason why it's condensing the liquid is because you can store more liquid in a receiver than you could a vapor, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So that's the reasoning behind that. And then it goes right down your receiver. It's pushing it down there. So that's it for the liquid. If they ask you on the test, if you're recovering vapor, what's the first valve you shut off to shut down your vapor? What number would it be?
7?
Yeah.
Yep. 7. Mm-hmm.
Why 7?
Because 7 is open, coming from the condenser.
Right. But why would you close that first?
Because that's the first valve coming up.
Correct. Now, if they ask you what 2 valves would you shut to shut down your vapor, going from the lowest to the highest, what 2 valves would you shut?
2 and 7.
That's correct. Okay. That's it. That's all you really need to know about the RSR. I mean, does anyone have any questions? Because we're going to go over this shit all the time because guys get fucked up on the RSR. You got to keep on going over this stuff like every day. You have to look at this at least once a day and just look at it.
Right.
What I want you guys to do is you have to memorize this diagram.
Okay.
And what I mean by